what shows that your long distance relationship is fruitful. What are the signs of a healthy long distance relationship? I am no an expert when it comes to relationships, be it short distance or long distance, but I know what is healthy and what is toxic. So I will answer your question based on what I learned in therapy, what I read online, and what other people have told me regarding their own personal experience with a long distance relationship. Here are the things you should be looking for: communication between the two for you seems to be effortless, natural, and comfortable. What I mean by that is this: even though you might argue for time to time, here is not any manipulation or guilt tripping in love. Both of you are open, consent, vulnerable, and direct. The lines for communication are always open, and the other person is interested in what you have to say. You are there for each other emotionally. When it comes to you can't always be physically present for a certain amount of time, and this issue can create feelings and of distress. However, when the relationship is healthy, you will feel safe to reach out to your partner and ask for emotional resumes, and they will respond to your emotional call by exiting or send you a heartfelt. Both you and your partner are concerned in a loving way. If the other one feels comfortable in your relationship and with the way things are evolving between the two of you, both of you put an equal amount of time and effort into reminding the other one frequently what you like about them and your relationship. Any doubts, insecurities, and jealousy will be cleared up as soon and as often as possible. You support each other's interests, passions, invaliding and sense of self. Both of you feel securely attached and your relationship is interdependent, not codependent. Both of you come up with fun or interesting activities that you can do together while being apart. You have a mutual desire to hang out, so to speak. You don't dwell on the negative aspects or on the past. You desires any issues or arguments you might feel need to be talked about. You come to a conclusion, make a decision, and both of you stick with it while moving on together without any resentment or hard feeling. If you are in a relationship with the person you want to spend your life with, at some point you will feel the need to craft a plan and take the necessary steps to meet and commit in real life to each other. Aim, stop making a difference. Promises, be honest and sincere.